Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech and the ROVSUN. If you're looking for a compact solution for your laundry needs, you've come to the right place. We'll dive into their features, capacities, and what makes each of them unique. Let's find out which one is the best for you. When it comes to washing capacity, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads at once. In contrast, the ROVSUN has a smaller capacity of 9 pounds, making it more suitable for lighter loads. If you frequently do laundry for multiple people or larger items, the Auertech may be the better choice. Price is another important factor to consider. The Auertech is priced at $269, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. On the other hand, the ROVSUN is much more affordable at $149, making it a great option for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the ROVSUN may be the way to go. Both machines are semi-automatic, which means they require some manual interventions. However, the ROVSUN's simpler design and lighter weight make it easier to move and store, especially in tight spaces like dorms or RVs. The Auertech, while offering more features, may be bulkier and require more effort to set up. Therefore, if ease of use is a priority, the ROVSUN could be more appealing. In conclusion, both the Auertech and ROVSUN portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Auertech is ideal for those needing a larger capacity, while the ROVSUN is perfect for those on a budget or with limited space. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.